Hi, I'm Dave, president of Riptide. I'll be showing you how to replace the cord and motor on your Riptide vacuum head. We designed the vacuum so repairs would be straightforward. Replacement parts are easy to install to get you back to work quickly. Okay, first we'll remove the impeller. Hold the impeller while you loosen the brass impeller nut. Remove it and then pull the impeller off. Next, we'll remove the cord from the motor. Start by removing the large plastic grommet cap and then use a pair of channel lock type pliers to loosen and remove the watertight fitting. Now we'll remove the bolt that secures the motor to the motor mount. This will require two 13mm wrenches. Then there are two additional bolts on the bottom, which will require a 10mm wrench to remove. Now we can pull the motor out of the vacuum head and drop the new one in. When bolting the new motor in place, install the inside motor mount bolt first. Then install this bottom bolt and leave it loose. Leave this last one out for now. This will allow the motor to move around freely so the cord can be attached more easily. If all you are doing is replacing the cord, you may want to set the motor up like this to help with the connection. To remove the cord clamp, you'll need a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm wrench. Now we'll attach the cord to the motor. There's a keyway at the top of the watertight fitting that must align with the slot on the cord. As soon as you screw this fitting together, go ahead and use your channel lock pliers to snug it down. Then go ahead and install this last bottom bolt and tighten both of the bottom bolts. Next, we'll tighten the mount bolt inside the head, the one that requires the two 13mm wrenches. The motor mount is slotted so that the motor can be adjusted front to back into the center of the opening. To do this, set the impeller onto the motor shaft. This isn't super critical, but it should be close. Once it is centered, tighten the bolt. Now install the grommet cap by placing the edge in here like this. Now we need to install the pin into the motor shaft. The hole in the shaft needs to be aligned with the hole in the debris guard. Insert the pin through the hole in the debris guard and into the motor shaft. Make sure the pin is centered in the shaft. Then install the impeller. Make sure the pin goes into the groove on the bottom of the impeller. Now install the brass impeller nut and snug it down. It's a good idea to tighten it just a little bit with your pliers. At this point, let's take the pliers and double check to ensure the watertight fitting is tight.
And that's it. That's all it takes to replace the cord and motor on your Riptide. All replacement parts are available on our website, riptidevac.com, under the parts heading. If you need us, don't hesitate to call or email us at sales@riptidevac.com.